For the latest impressive feat in automation, we go to Caltech, where researchers have revealed what's being characterized as a real-life transformer. The description applies to a multifunctional drone that has a shape-shifting design that allows it to address one of the common drawbacks of this type of drone, that it must land before switching to ground mode. The researchers are calling it ATMO, for Aerially Transforming Morphobot, and they say this device has been designed using nature as a template, mimicking ways animals use their bodies to achieve different types of locomotion. In ATMO, the goal is to transition seamlessly between air and land by reconfiguring midair, turning the flight device into a ground vehicle that can roll away on wheels. To do so, it uses a single motor to shift between modes. Using 4 thrusters, a motor-controlled joint can adjust them based on task requirements, so they can be lifted for flight or lowered for a casual drive on land. And while it makes for an exciting demonstration, the research team says innovation around the method's control algorithm is the shining star, specifically leveraging a dynamic system the reports say has never before been explored. Still, there are challenges to this technology, including the complex aerodynamics in play. Specifically, when airflow near the ground becomes turbulent, the robot can be impacted. To address it, the team conducted smoke visualization tests in order to determine the airflow changes taking place. A smart control system then used a predictive model to forecast which airflow changes were likely under a given circumstance, and change the bot's movement accordingly. Caltech aeronautics professor Maury Garib said in a press release that, though it seems simple, these aerodynamic challenges are ones the aerospace industry has been struggling to deal with for probably more than 50 years.